in the previous lesson, we spoke about compound interest. Simple interest. So we spoke about simple interest. So we spoke about what exactly compound simple interest was. The formula says that A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus I multiplied by N. So because of this positive, it means we are dealing with the increase. When we invest money, we expect the money to grow. Now in this lesson, we're going to talk about something called a simple decay or a simple depreciation. When something depreciates, meaning it loses value. So now we're going to talk about simple depreciation. Simple decay, you can also call it simple depreciation. Depreciation. So simple interest when an item gains value, simple decay when it loses value. So there's similarity between the two formulas. The only difference is that with the interest, with simple interest, we've got a positive sign. So now with the simple decay or depreciation, the formula says that A is equal to P multiplied by 1 minus I multiplied by N. So that's the difference between this formula and this formula. So when something decays or it depreciates, it loses value. But when it is a simple interest, it gains value. So whenever you have a positive sign, just know that we are dealing with the simple interest or the simple growth. But whenever you have got a simple decay, we are dealing with depreciation. So the value of A doesn't change. It's the final amount as we have stated in the previous lesson. So A is the final amount, and the value of P is the starting amount or the principal amount. So P is the starting amount and I is the interest rate. So an easier way to write R, when they tell you that your I is 8%, you can just write 8% as it is. Automatically it will convert it to 0.08. So interest rate, just write it the way it is as 8%. And then N is the compounding period, not the number of years, but compounding period. Okay, so it's a period. So whenever you have got the word compound, don't use this formula. So we have got a simple interest and a simple decay. A simple interest is the one which we have in here, and then a simple decay is the one we have over here. In the next lessons, we'll talk about compound interest as well as compound decay. So they will be a bit different. But whenever we're talking about a straight line method, straight line increase is this one, straight line decrease is this one. Remember what I said first time I introduced this lesson? I said that the simple interest is also called the straight line method. So this is called the straight line method. So when you increase on a straight line is the positive, which is simple interest. But when you decrease in value on a straight line method, that's simple decay or simple depreciation. Thank you for watching.